Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Well, greetings everyone, and welcome back to the channel once again. Here we are in front of the mighty monkey, sat on the driveway. So I said previously I was probably going to get another exhaust for this, and I wasn't too sure what. I mentioned in my previous video that I wasn't happy with the exhaust collectors on this. It just spoils the look for the rest of the bike. So I bit the bullet and decided to go for what I said I was going to buy, which was a Termignoni exhaust. So before we fit it, what do you get in the box? Well, as you can see, I have had the box open already. Instructions, spring puller, washer, blanking plug, very nice new pipe, and that's in box number 1. And in box number 2, obviously we have the pièce de résistance. We have more instructions, and we have the lovely Termignoni pipe. And then we have more springs, mounting bracket, and bolts. And that is what you get in a Termignoni exhaust box. So next up, you just put all this in here, move this out of the way, Blue Peter style. So yeah, we'll get cracking with fitting it. Once again, big shout out to Motorcycle Performance Store. Not the first time I bought some stuff from them. Bought loads of stuff off for the 750 from them before. Customer service is great, and this exhaust was actually delivered ahead of when they were quoted for. So yeah, and a nice sort of discount as well. So thanks very much guys, much appreciated. This channel isn't sponsored by them, by the way, but I've found they're very easy to deal with. Delivery is very good, and they'll phone you back if they miss a phone call from you. So anyway, I believe in true YouTube style, we say it's time to fit this exhaust. Let's get into it. Right, third time lucky. Calibrated bucket, 0. Bolts, bracket, washer, 260 grams. 1 cat, just over 1 kilo. 1 standard exhaust. 4 kilos. Yep, 4.1 kilos. Let's see what the new one weighs. Right there, new exhaust. Bits. Header. And end cap. 2.2 kilos. So that is over 2 kilos of weight saving, which means I can eat more pies. Right then, it's on. Let's go for it. There we go. A bit louder than I thought it might be. But not too bad. Time for a road test after we put the other bits back on. Well, it's turned out to be quite a nice day. So here we are. On the monkey. For a little road test with exhaust. I'm not going to proclaim that I can feel the 2 kilos worth of difference in weight, because I can't, to be fair. The bike's that light already anyway. So it's certainly throatier than the standard exhaust, which you know it would be, but it doesn't seem to be too farty, which I was a little bit concerned about. It sounds alright. It sounds like a single cylinder pit bike, really. Not quite as offensive. I'm not going to proclaim that this feels any more responsive, because at the minute it doesn't. I've got a freer flowing air filter to go in, so we'll see how that feels after that, but I think it's going to need a little tune, I think, to make the most of any minimal gains there will be. Yeah, we just cruise along. It's not too loud, but then when you really nail it, it gives you that rasp that you're looking for, but it's quite respectable at low speed. I think, anyway. But the good thing about having the exhaust on now is people can hear you coming, which is both good and bad. Mainly good in being a little bit smaller. People don't always notice that you're there. Road positioning, of course, is key. What does it feel like? Feels alright? What does it sound like? Sounds right. Yeah. I can live with that. It's not too bad. nearly maintaining 50 into a headwind though. 49, I mean it's practically 50. Come on. If I tuck, there we go. 50, 51. Oh, look at this. More streamlined, 52, 53. Oh. 55. Also got a plus 2 tooth sprocket to go on the rear, which should hopefully help with the higher speed cruising. But yeah, it's alright. I'll jump off the road here and we'll have a quick nosy round. At least it sounds like a motorbike now, not like a sewing machine. Oh yes, the illustrious neutral. There we go. There we have it. One Termignoni exhaust. I like it. Headed looks better already. It's all good. It's all good. Well, there we are, it's on. That's the next upgrade complete. Many more to come. Thanks again for watching. Stick with the channel. And from my local town to yours, we'll catch you again soon. Peace out.